Wherever your student is, wherever your son or daughter is in the academic realm, they're going to find an avenue to be successful at Notre Dame.
Originally, I will say Notre Dame was not his first choice. He came home, he goes, "Ma, I really liked it. I went to the classes, they were great. The students that were there were good. I felt comfortable, everyone made me feel welcome. Even as like a visitor, I felt like I was a student already." So I knew at that time it was Notre Dame was gonna be his first choice.
The moment we realized, or at least for me specifically, that this was the right spot for Kaylee to be was when we came to a student event. She had come previously for like a day in the life of a student. And when we came in that next time, the staff knew who she was. They knew her name, they remembered her coming. So it was that moment of welcomeness and like inclusivity that totally spoke to me as a parent and was like, this is where Kaylee belongs.
My kids actually chose Notre Dame for themselves. We did the tour for my older son, and then he said, this is where I want to be.
I go in to teach. I go in to be there with my students. This to me is not my job. It is a calling, it is a vocation.
We support our students in all aspects of their day. It's not just the academics. If they need somebody to talk to, they can come up to us. If they need a snack, they can come up to us. We support them where they are and we move them forward, but we look at the long range plan of where they need to be for when they leave us, whether it's to go into the military, to go into the job force, or go to college.
I think we all know all of the children here. We value all of the children here, and they respect us as well. And we do have a solid community here. It goes beyond the four walls of the classroom.
You don't have to worry when you're here. Everything, like the faculty, students, staff, everyone's here to help.
You feel supported here, you feel respected here, and you also feel like you can grow and learn here. And I think those are all positive attributes that you want a school to have. Come visit and just get a feel of what Notre Dame is, because I think once you step in here, you'll feel the community and the family that it is.
Like I said, this is like your second home.